Nirmal speaking from CUET International. The mathematics from JEE MAINS 21st June first shift. It is applicable to ICSE, CBSE and JEE MAINS also. Cosec 10 degree minus root over 3 sec 10 degree. What is the value? Cosec 10 degree nothing 1 by sec or sin 10 degree. Sec 10 degree nothing 1 by cos 10 degree. Now multiply 1 by 2 both numerator and denominator. 1 by 2 sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So your numerator coming sin 30 into cos 10 minus cos 30 into sin 10, and denominator coming sin 10 and cos 10. Then denominator by 2. Now in denominator multiply both up and down by 2. It is coming because 2 sin 10 and cos 10 is equal to sin 12, that means sin 20. So now the ultimate is coming sin 30 minus 10 and divided by sin 20 by 4. Now it is 4 into sin 20 by sin 20. So your answer is 4. So cosec 10 degree minus root over 3 sec 10 degree is equal to 4. Completed.